rolling?
Yes.
Let's do this, peeps! Oh my god, I know you guys have missed me, right? Woohoo! We've been a little bit busy with some other stuff, and so today I have an art show in like 3 weeks, and so I'm focusing on painting ocean things, and I'm thinking about my scuba diving trips, and I'm missing the reef. And so today I thought I would take these 2 panels that I obviously was having an off day. I know it's hard to believe, but I do have off days. So you're going to show them the panels, or are you going to sit there and not do your job like usual?
I'm voting no. I'm watching the supply behind you.
I love this kind of, but the gold overtook everything, and there's not enough variation in the colors for me after they dried. And so I powdered them to get the silicone off, and I'm going to re-pour. And if you want to take a peek over here, I have mixed up a ton of Amsterdam paint, and we are just going to very quickly go through here and do a beautiful series on these wooden panels.
With the Rio Sace signature color series.
Yeah, with the signature color series from me, Rio. So, because this is my favorite. So, let's just do this. There's really no reason. We've already got everything mixed up, so this video can be a short ween, a shorty.
A short ween.
A short ween.
A short ween.
A short ween.
Short ween.
So, this is unbleached titanium, because I didn't want it to be exactly white. And there's probably a little bit of blue in there, if I know me.
This represents your sand in the water.
And then what I've done lately, and I've really enjoyed it, is because I mixed up so much paint, I didn't want to put my silicone oil in the paint and then ruin it. So I've been putting a few drops of the treadmill oil directly into the cup as I'm doing my thing. And it's just producing beautifully gorgeous cell action. I really like this color. It's like a Tiffany.
Tuffy just got that shipping paper stuff to him.
Tuffy just flipped out. That was kind of funny.
Okay?
He's like, that's not funny, bro. How about a little turquoise green?
Would a gummy bear make you feel better?
A little more turquoise green on this side. So my plan is, if it works out, sometimes it do, sometimes it don't. A little bit of this turquoise blue, because that's beautiful too. Oh, Sace.
Is it pretty?
I think I'm getting some good colors in there.
Is it pretty?
So now we want to go with this darker.
You're not getting a whole lot of cell action there. You let me down. What's up with that?
Well, I think probably should.
Is Kevin home?
I don't think so.
Somebody's here. Oh, St. Caleb was letting him out the back door.
I'm sure squirrel action going on in there. So there we go with that.
I don't have to cut somebody. Nope.
Yeah.
I don't have to cut nobody. It's just a squirrel.
Okay.
Peter would probably frown upon that.
A little bit more of the creamy white there.
Are you getting like cells? I'm bored back here, Rio. You're not getting cells. Come on.
Not getting any
in
cell
your
actions?
Cups. No.
No cell
I don't
action?
get it. Did we get it in that one?
Go pour a
On
little
top of
bit.
that, I desperately need a thumbnail, and you're not producing
A good thumber?
a good thumber.
Let's do some cobalt blue here.
Oh yeah, look at that color. Oh god, my tripod. Well, it's getting better.
Maybe some of this blue here.
Oh, it's so pretty. Go. My goodness. Wow, you
And
made
then-
a lot of paint.
Then ultramarine. Well, look how big these things are.
Well, look how big these things are. That's how you sound.
Shut up,
Not
Sace.
sound like that.
Yeah, you do. That's exactly what you sound like.
Say it to my face.
Sace. Okay. I'm going to put a little bit more white right there. Because I kind of don't know what I'm doing yet, but my plan is...
Is that because we accidentally took 2 months off?
Yeah, we did.
Again.
Well, it happens.
I'm known for breaks on this channel.
Well, I need breaks, because if I don't take a break, then I lose my creative edge, and I don't want to paint. Ooh, see, that's already doing some really cool stuff in there in that cup. And I'm usually, you know, like pouring, but I'm going to flip this, roll it around, and then see what we produce. Ooh, look at that. Where's my torch, Sace?
I think it's up. Oh, it's right there. Perfect. Oh, the first one. Ooh, my goodness. Wow. It's almost like you actually know what you're doing.
Look at those cells
Wow.
formed, though.
Tuffy, you're hitting my tripod, dog. Making filming very difficult. He's terrified that the packing paper's gonna come back again.
Because he's going to come over here and eat him.
Yep.
Poor Toofy.
That is gorgeous.
I know, right? We're just gonna let it keep spreading. I'm seeing some more boublés that need to be popped. We're just gonna keep letting it spread out on its own. And then I'm thinking, because I don't have any silicone in this at all, that I could probably come in here and pour.
Oh, wow.
Like a little bit of that right there.
Mm-hmm.
And then maybe a little bit of the ultramarine blue, a little bit darker. So we got a layer of cobalt, a layer of ultramarine there.
Wow.
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 And so let's smooth some of that out.
Wow. Wow.
Just playing that just a little. Gotta play in the paint a little bit, guys, because I'm not 100%. I want it to represent reef and then deep water. And even though I have no silicone in this, we're getting some cells on this. Look. What if I take this? I can hear everybody going, "Don't do it, Rio! Don't do it! It's so perfect!"
My name's Rio. I don't like swipes. Swipe. Swipe.
I like controlled swipes with no black paint. I don't understand the whole swiping black paint. Oops. Well, luckily that landed in a spot that it was believable. Oh my gosh. So then I thought maybe I could come across here and just drag a little bit of that color.
Can I get this dog to eat gummy bears? I don't know what his problem is.
He doesn't like them.
I guess not.
Is that a problem? Those are those Coca-Cola ones. They're gross. Oh, look at that. That's brilliant. Sometimes I amaze myself. What do you think? Do you think that's amazing? Look at all that though.
You're in my shot.
I'm sorry, I'm trying to just drag some things through there so it looks natural.
For sticky from the cotton candy, Rio.
That was such a bad idea. Whose idea was it to make cotton candy out of cough drops? Oh yeah, that would be me. So if you think that is cool, wait till you see this. Hi, I'm Rio, and that's Sace.
Hi.
This channel is dedicated to capturing the next generation of scuba divers.
That's you.
Our genius plan is to kidnap YouTubers and whisk them off to exotic locations to explore with us beneath the sea.
Evil laugh.
You give us 7 days and we'll give you an adventure of a lifetime. Woo! All you have to do is answer 3 simple questions. Do you have a passport?
Yes.
Can you swim?
Can you?
And do you want to go diving? So y'all need to get down in the comments and start giving us thumbs up and liking this video up here and talking about that new episode. We need you to share. We're putting a link in the description and a link right up here or over there or down here, wherever it shows up on these YouTube channel video things, as to what the new channel is called, Wanna Go Diving. The new episode is now live. You better get over there and check it out. But yeah, we need you guys to help us grow this because we have to grow this really fast. In 2 weeks, we go to VidCon, and our mission at VidCon is to hook up with all of your favorite YouTubers and our favorite YouTubers so that we can do collabs and whisk them off to take them diving with us. You heard the trailer. I don't need to explain anything else. So it's going to make this channel more fluid. It's going to make that channel even more awesome, but we need your help. So I just think it's really, really cool that we are in a position to give you guys, to take you to the places that inspire my artwork. You know, because very seldom does that ever get to happen. Very seldom do you ever see the motivation behind a piece. And in this the new series we've created on the scuba diving, it's done with the intent of taking you guys along with us on every adventure and showing you exactly why we do what we do. And I am super excited. And for those of you that have been following us and supporting this channel all along, I want you to know from the bottom of our hearts, we are so thankful that you have been along with us for this ride, because your donations and your purchases and your support have made this channel and the other channel totally possible, because Chase and I could not have done it without you. So give yourself a pat on the back and then get in there to that PayPal account and send some more funds, because we need $3 grand to go to VidCon. Or tell us you want to buy a t-shirt, because I think merch is great. And I think we should launch some t-shirts for the new channel and for this. And you know what? After all this time, I need you guys to vote too, because we have decided that you all have a name on this channel, and we want to call you guys paint slayers. How about that? You guys want to be a paint slayer or a creative slayer? Because we are slaying it over here in this paint. Take no prisoners.
Start doing other projects.
Yeah, and I think we're going to start doing other projects too. So whatever artistic endeavor you guys want to see me do, leave it in the description and we will give it a try.
Carving.
We were kind of snobby about it at first, but I want to do stuff besides just these pours, and I want to teach you all about color. So we'll always do the color mixing tutorials with the pours, because that's the easiest way for me to teach you about color. But if you've got a problem that needs solved, or you have a subject matter that you can't quite tackle,
who are you gonna call?
Who are you gonna call? You're gonna call Rio and Sace to the rescue, because we will try to make it happen for you. Because we are super excited.
This right here is gorgeous.
It is gorgeous, isn't it?
It is gorgeous.
The way I floated that paint in there.
And just real quick, I want to cut to some ocean footage right here. So that's it. We've got 2 more babies ready for the art show, and it's a coastal themed art show, so these are perfect. And I am satisfying my need to see the reef, even though I'm here in the Midwest and can't get to the reef this week. So this worked, and you have gotten a sneak peek of our new series, Want to Go Diving, on the other channel. Make sure you get over there and like and subscribe and ring the bell and all that. And you might want to go to the website and sign up for the newsletter, because every time we release a new episode, I will be sending newsletters. That way, if YouTube doesn't tell you guys, you'll be getting a notice from me. And make sure that you stay tuned, because next Sunday, we are releasing a video on how to professionally frame a piece of artwork. You guys have been asking for it and asking for it and asking for it, and we finally got it filmed. So, and it is a gorgeous painting, and it's a custom frame designed by yours truly. So, because I kind of got that going on too. The Rio, Queen Rio designs. It's a one-of-a-kind Queen Rio. So make sure you tune in for that. And again, thanks for joining us in the studio. Until next time, ciao!
this one we did a pour. On this one, or a flip cup. On this one, I'm feeling like I want to do a pour. You guys with me? Let's pour this.
Never with you, but okay, go for it.
You're never with me, Sace? We're always together.
I know.
I mean, like, I
try to tune you out as much as possible, in all honesty.
Can you even get that done? Because I'm pretty loud.
What?